Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, in which part of the world on day. Is what is there behind me. You remember this? Because some people still have it, This is called what not. Yes, man, the lovely what not. But as I stand here and look at this what not, I have some very traumatizing memories of this whatnot and dusting off this whatnot and all of the figurine them panic every Saturday morning. This was a ritual. Every Saturday morning I had to get up and I had to dust this whatnot from top to bottom. And not to mention that, my people, you had to take off all of the figurine and you better hold them good. Cause dog damn your supper if you broke any of them your figurine. And then on top of that, you know what used to bother me? When you have a little beanie one them where you have your take off and you have your dust. It take enough time, and you have to put them down so gently. So gently, because me and you know say anyone broke, dog near me with supper. Yes, man, all of them little sitting here, you have to take time and you have to wipe off and you have to put on and you have to take your time and you dust whatnot. And you see, when we done dust, my mother will come so and draw her finger. And you see, if she draw her finger and see any dust, remember me tell you, me have to come back and do it all over again. My people, wanna drop a line and make me hear for no memories. If you don't have any, I wanna must have memories of dusting the whatnot and taking off every figurine and dusting and cleaning them off and putting them back. As always, Mama Selva have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening or night, any which part of the world on day. Make me go back here now to continue to dusting off the whatnot. Here is the cat.